Welcome back to Atomic Bytes. We're going to get started with our timer project, and in this episode we're going to add a text box to our user interface canvas for a pop-up message to display to the player. So we're going to get that text box up here and center it, and then we'll go ahead and name it as well in our project hierarchy, so it's got a specific name that we can then use in our scripting. So I'm going to call this UI user message for scripting purposes. And then you can see it showing up over here under our UI canvas. We've got our UI timer and our UI user message. And then I'm going to scroll down here and update the font size. I'm going to go with a font size of 20. You can trial and error and see what you want to do for a specific font size. Then I'm going to go ahead and open up the script. And in our script, we're going to zoom in here to where we're going to edit. And we need to add, similar to our timer, we're going to add script to clear out our user interface message, or our UI user message as we called it. So it's GameObject.find.getComponent, and then we're going to have TMP for Text Mesh Pro underscore text. And then we're going to add parentheses .text, and we're just going to clear this one as well. So we're going to have an empty set of quotes, semicolon, and then going back here we need the name of our game objects, which is the UI user message. So this is what we want to display on the screen. Then we're going to go down here and add some information to the lower part of our script. So we want another if statement. So we're going to put in time. When the time gets to the end, we're going to want the message to display to the player that the time is almost up. So it's GameObject.find.getComponent, and we're accessing this UI user message area again, and we're just going to have it display some text. So we need a double set of quotes here and a semicolon, and then in a double set of quotes we're going to say time is almost up. So that'll give them a 2-second heads up. And then here we need the name of our UI user message. Specifically accessing that text box object on the UI canvas that we put into the game. Then we're just going to save our script and go back and make sure everything's working fine in our game. And you can see timer's going. I'll speed it up and we'll get to the end here, and we'll look at the message displaying last few seconds. And there you go, time almost up. And then our new level loads. So that's it for this episode. We'll see you back in the next episode for some more work.